we've got to go, and it's been 17 minutes here. You guys see it's still just running along just fine. So my phone's going to run out of battery or memory in the car or something. So what I thought I'd do is just set some drag here. We'll accelerate this up. It's really working away, folks. I've never seen a little electric lytic capacitor do this amount of work. I lift that and see back up. It's pretty exciting, folks. A little 1000 US electrolytic just pumping this thing along. So, but again, I'm running out of time here, so I'm just putting a lot of drag here in the rotor. This thing has enough torque where I'm going to do some really interesting experiments in returning energy generator coils back into the driver unit on this. Because, and as it is, it does function as a generator. As I saw earlier, when you blow a little wind on here, it charges the capacitor right up. So this is a generator motor combo. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to see if I can set this dragging on the rotor and then let the video finish that way. Drag on it. Maybe that will stop it here soon enough. We're almost 20 minutes in, folks. Well, I thought this straw would stop it quickly. It's still marching on. This has been over 20 minutes now, so I really need to get some more generator coils on this. But anyway, I'm looking forward to the comments on this video, because anytime I release a video like this, it seems to get a lot of people angry for some reason. I'm expecting a lot of good juicy comments. You're not doing your in and out measurements properly type comments, all kinds of nonsense. You know what, folks? I'm building this stuff because I enjoy building it, and when I get stuff that runs like this, it just puts a huge smile on my face. So, sure, I'll look it up to the scope, I'll do measurements, but let me tell you right now, I've built many, many motors over the years, and this is by far the best. So, the ability to 3D print this ought to allow people to get precise, exact replication, unlike the Romero UK thing where we all try to replicate and work right. We have to be able to replicate this little guy exactly. So I'm really excited. Watch laserhacker.com. Put some more drag in this. This is just not stopping. Let's see if it's probably best just to move the straw in there like that. hopefully with this straw in it, it will stop before it's time for us to leave because we got to go here. So anyway, that's the update. We've got to pack the car up, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just bring this with me.